Hello, friends! Welcome back to English Flow, the place where you learn real English in a slow, friendly way. I'm Ella.
And I'm Sam. We're really happy you're here. Today, we're talking about simple daily routines, especially your morning routine.
Yes, if you want to learn how to talk about your morning in English, this lesson is perfect for you. It's easy, clear, and great for beginners.
And don't forget, we speak slowly, we repeat a lot, and we use real examples. You'll feel your English improve today.
Before we start, please like, follow, and subscribe. It helps our channel grow and brings you more easy English lessons every week.
All right, let's learn English together. Ready? Let's talk about your morning.
Okay, let's start with easy morning actions. Listen first. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I get dressed. I go to work. I go to school.
Nice. Let's say them again slowly, with pauses. You can repeat after us. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Good job! You're doing great already. Let's continue. I eat breakfast. I get dressed. I go to work. I go to school.
Perfect. Let's put them into a simple morning routine. I'll say mine first. My morning is simple. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. Then I go to work.
Nice and clear. My morning is different. I wake up at 6. I wash my face. I make breakfast. My quick breakfast is a banana and some toast.
Friends, now think about your morning. What time do you wake up?
Good. Even if you're learning alone, say it out loud. I wake up at...
Great job.
Let's listen to a short morning conversation. First, just listen.
Good morning, Ella. What time do you wake up?
Good morning, Sam. I wake up at 6. And you?
I wake up at 7. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I eat a small breakfast. I drink tea. What about you?
I eat breakfast too, and I drink coffee every morning.
Okay, now let's talk about it together. The question was, what time do you wake up? Repeat it with me.
And the answer is, I wake up at 6. Or, I wake up at 7. Let's practice. Say, I wake up at 6. I wake up at 7.
Good job. Next question. Do you eat breakfast? Say it slowly.
You can answer, yes, I eat breakfast. Or, no, I don't eat breakfast. Say your answer out loud.
Nice. You're improving already.
Let's learn some useful words for your morning. Listen and repeat. Alarm. Shower. Coffee. Tea. Breakfast. Eggs. Toast. Cereal. Banana. Milk.
Great. Now let's make simple sentences. I set my alarm. I take a shower. I drink coffee. I eat eggs. My breakfast is cereal. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Let's try a mini routine. I wake up, I turn off my alarm. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Repeat it with me, line by line. I wake up. I turn off my alarm. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Nice work. You sound great. Let's make a longer conversation. First, listen only.
So Ella, what's your morning routine?
Well, I wake up at 6, I stretch a little, then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I make breakfast. I usually eat toast and fruit. Then I start work.
Sounds nice. I wake up later. I get up at 7. I drink coffee first, always coffee. Then I take a quick shower. After that, I go to work.
Nice, Sam. Okay, now let's practice specific lines. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6. I stretch a little. I make breakfast. I eat toast and fruit.
Now, my lines. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee first. I take a quick shower. I go to work.
Great job, everyone.
Okay, now it's your turn. We'll ask questions. You answer out loud. Ready?
Question 1. What time do you wake up? Great.
Okay, question 2. Do you eat breakfast? Nice.
Question 3. What do you drink in the morning? Coffee, tea, water? Good.
Question 4. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Very nice.
Question 5. Do you go to work or school in the morning?
Excellent. You're doing amazing.
I wake up.
I get up.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I make breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I eat fruit.
I get dressed.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I start my day. I wake up.
I get up.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I make breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I eat fruit.
I get dressed.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I start my day. I wake up.
I get up.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I make breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I eat fruit.
I get dressed.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I start my day. Amazing job! Really, you're improving already.
Let's review what we learned today. We practiced I wake up at, I eat breakfast, I drink coffee, I brush my teeth, I go to work. What's your morning routine?
You learned a lot of helpful morning vocabulary too. Alarm, shower, breakfast, fruit, cereal, toast.
Remember, small sentences are great. Simple English is good English.
Before we go, here is our community question. What time do you wake up in the morning? Tell us in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today. You did such a great job.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend.
See you next time on English Flow.
Bye!